Good morning. I just had my exercise and I had my tea. And I was doing some courses yesterday, one course to be fair, and it was about machine learning from Google. And I think the part I don't like about that is that there is just too many numbers and just crunching them. I mean, mathematically inclined people will love it, I am sure. But I think that's not the case with machine learning, at least in the basic stages. And I wanted to do something like a machine solving a maze, or playing some games like Ludo. And I wanted perhaps that falls under artificial intelligence, and not just this simple basic learning, basic machine learning, where you study how the things, where you study from a chart basically and try to predict the outcome from test sets based on the data on training sets, or perhaps one validation set. That much I have learned. It's not difficult to explain, but what is more difficult is to do the math. And the languages they use, the computer languages, they are very specific about some special signs. You cannot do just a nested function like string s is equal to number bracket that string up to comma 4 or something like that, a simple function. But no, you have to use special, a little bit of specialized technique. That's not too difficult to learn, but I have to first have the interest in the machine learning process itself. So I'll take another course if I can, and we'll see if we can manage some courses from Google, because it's been long since I learned something new from online courses. And yeah, mail from the upcoming conference in Tanyakali Cave, and they said they have accepted my paper for oral presentation. And yeah, that's it. Let's choose a topic for today, and today's topic can be milkmen in Indian towns. So milkmen in Indian towns is a fascinating topic because they are a breed that is going extinct with the rise of brands such as Amul and other milk brands who are providing better quality milk, perhaps at a higher price, but people are buying from them. But before that, there were milkmen with their own herd of cows, and they used to come to the towns from the distant villages. To give you an example, our particular milkman came on top of a bus with his bicycle, and he dropped down in the town and roamed around the town supplying milk. So he was there with us for about 20 years. But after COVID, he came one last time and he said, if you want more milk, we said we need milk later, perhaps after a month or so. That's it. And these milkmen often provide the milk at a very reduced cost for long-time consumers. For example, for our case, it was 10 rupees per kilo for a very, very long time. And now the prices are really high from the other branded milks. And this milkman owned many cows, like many other milkmen who supply to the small towns. And traditionally they use the Indian breeds, but more recently they have started using other breeds who have greater milk production capability. And so this is a sign of the formalization of the economy, where the products such as dairy and related products are being made by large companies. These are national companies, I must say. But the traditional milkmen who came to the towns are slowly fading away. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you again, and bye-bye.